Welcome to Quiz RAD, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes.
Today we've got 50 fast food logos to challenge your brain from the easiest to the trickiest. You'll get 10 seconds to guess each one, so get ready and see how many you know. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Quiz RAD for more fun quizzes. Let's jump in. Which famous fast food logo is this? Yes, it's McDonald's. Golden arches, everyone knows. Guess this logo? You got it, KFC. Finger licking good. What's the name? Right, Burger King, home of the Whopper. Which brand is this? Correct, Subway. Eat fresh. Find the odd one out. Great! Guess this logo? Yes, Domino's pizza, a slice of classic. Which brand is this? It's Pizza Hut, that iconic red roof.
Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to Quiz RAD for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge.
What's the name? Of course, Starbucks. Fuel for mornings. Which logo is this? Yes, Taco Bell. Crunchy cravings. Can you guess the hidden logo? Yes, it's Starbucks. Guess this brand. It's Dunkin'. Time to run on Dunkin'. Who is it? That's right, Wendy's. Old-fashioned goodness. Flavors. Guess this logo? Baskin-Robbins. Which brand is this? Dairy Queen. Remember the position of all logos. Where is the Taco Bell logo located? Number 4. Guess this logo? Yes, Chipotle. Which brand is this? Hardee's. Bee mascot. Guess this brand. Jollibee. Sweet style spaghetti. We have the meats. Guess the name. Arby's. Guess the fast food by the first 3 letters. Wingstop. Which brand is this? Jimmy John's. Freaky fast.
Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to Quiz RAD for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge.
Which brand is this? Auntie Anne's. Guess this brand. Popeyes. Which brand is this? Shake Shack. Find the odd one out. Great! California favorite. Guess this brand. In-N-Out Burger. Guess this brand. Culver's. Guess this logo. Sonic Drive-In. Which brand is this? Jersey Mike's. Would you rather have spaghetti hair or burger bun shoes? Fire grilled chicken. Guess the name. El Pollo Loco. Which brand is this? Rallies. Which logo is this? Moe's Southwest Grill. Mexican Eats. Guess the brand? Qdoba. Would you rather wear a pepperoni pizza hat to work or carry a giant taco handbag every day? Which brand is this? Freddy's.
Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to Quiz RAD for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge.
Guess this logo? Zaxby's. Which brand is this? Potbelly. Which brand is this? Bojangles. Spot 3 differences. Great! Guess this name? Whataburger. Which brand is this? Blaze Pizza. Guess this brand? Nando's. Which brand is this? Wiener Schnitzel. Which logo is not repeated? Nice! Guess the logo? Pret a Manger. Which brand is this? Smash Burger. Guess this brand? Del Taco. Guess the brand name. Torchy's Tacos. Guess this brand? Jamba. Great job, everyone! Tell us your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this challenge, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Quiz RAD for more awesome quizzes coming soon. See you next time!